Hey guys, this is 18.2, and a solar eclipse is happening. This is as much as of my chlorophyte farm as I've started. Well, let's go tend to that, to the eclipse. Oh, hello, immediate reaper. Don't worry, guys. Getting there. Alright. I do need that. Well, because I need banners. So, yeah, solar eclipse. Alright. Oh, I still have the auto pause on. I tend to keep it on as a convenience tool. I'm sure I mentioned that. Oh! Vampires can start spawning now. I didn't think they could yet. I thought that was a post-Plantera spawn. Oh. I can't keep track of my cursor. Okay, so I have... Oh, wow. Sorry, guys, I'm focusing on not dying to Reapers. Doing alright. Doing alright so far. There we go. Reaper. Come on, baby, don't fear the Reaper, baby, take my hand. Don't fear the Reaper, we'll be able to fly. Don't fear the Reaper, baby, take your stand. Yes, I'm aware that is actually a song about a guy convincing his girlfriend to commit suicide with him. 10. I have no idea what was wrong with those swamp things. What the? Mothron? Mothron shouldn't spawn. Mothron? I thought Mothron was post-Golem. I'm like 99% sure that's the case. Hang on. In that case, I'm turning auto-pause on. And I am looking this up right now. I had the Terraria wiki up anyway. For double checking the numbers on chlorophyte. Oh my, what, oh shoot, that's the vampire. It's the vampire. I need the vampire dead because, well, among other reasons, oh, it spawns after all mechanical bosses. Yep. Okay. I have no idea what I'm thinking of with Golem then. Okay. Oh no, it's an Izor! Izor! I don't know who's more dangerous. Honestly, probably the Izor. Hello, Harpy. Oh. Ah. Oh, I thought that Harpy was Mothron for a moment. Alright. Back to that. Oh, right, I need a line of sight to be able to do that. And actually, thinking about it, since Mothron is here, I should switch to my Frostburn equipment. Oh, cool. Reapers are stuck there, too. Vampires are not stuck. Oh, shoot. 2 vampires. Oh boy, 4 vampires. And an Izor. know what? Maybe I should just accept that sometimes Mothron's gonna kill me. That might actually be a better option. And by might be, I mean almost certainly is. Just accept that Mothron will occasionally kill me. And shoot Reapers. Okay. Let me clear out some of these pumpkins. I have not... Okay, my heart lamp is... I could do this and occasionally just... You know, thinking about it. That might be better. Because I can't explode myself with the repeater, and the repeater does 61, yeah, it does nearly double damage. Yeah. Oh, I don't need my overlay on right now. Three Reapers! Oh, man. I need to keep an eye out to make sure there's not more than one Reaper. Yeah, I'm going back to the Onyx Blaster. I think it's working better. Yeah, especially for the close range. Ooh! I got a Death Sickle, which would be fantastic. If it exploded. The Death Sickle does this. That is what the Death Sickle does. It's awesome, and I can't use it. There is a melee weapon I can use, though. I will just need to grind the current Old One's army. You know, the one that I haven't been able to beat. Oh, man. Because the Ogre dropped... All of the Ogre's weapons explode. Yes! Moonstone! Also, I haven't found a Neptune shell yet. Because Neptune shell... I don't think I need the Sharkron balloon. Let's just, Oh, do I get minion damage on this? Yeah. Get all sorts of bonuses. So... Is that better than +4 defense? Wait a second, hang on. Oh. It already provides +4 defense. Never mind, I'm good. Except... creature from the deep banner. See, the thing is with Mothron, if I had the Rod of Discord, I could easily kill Mothrons. Oh good. It's over. I got 2 moon charms. Moonstones, rather. Well, I mean, may as well. And just because I can, look at that with the melee speed boost. I love this weapon so much. But again, I can't use it. I love it, but I can't. I may as well grab these pumpkins. Oh, yeah, I planted like 50 pumpkin seeds. Which I could use either to make pumpkin pie, or make the pumpkin moon medallions. I'm gonna wind up using them to make the medallions. Hi. Yeah, do those pierce blocks... I mean, do those stay in there? I like how I'm saying, no, I can't use it, and then I just keep using it. It's because I know I only have it for this limited time. Before it goes into the random equips chest. Now... Yeah, I have a couple of gravestones here. Okay, I don't care about a torch. You know what? I'll store bacon in there. What was I doing? Yeah, there should be a gravestone down there. Or did I die elsewhere to Mothron? I want my balloon again. I'm looking... I could have sworn... Oh well. Unless one of those was... You know, never mind, never mind. I could sell it for 5 gold. I can't. I like it too much. Again, can't use it, but I just can't get rid of it. It's going in the chest. I did, however, feel fine getting rid of the moonstone. I didn't get a Neptune shell, which is really unfortunate. Because then I could make my celestial shell. Which would give me the werewolf and merperson transformations. I am very disappointed by not getting that. Well, I'm going to be doing what I said I was going to be doing off-screen last time. Off-screen. But before I end this off, let's look at my deaths. 15, 30, 49, 50, 62, 67, 68, 69, 79 deaths. At least of 79 deaths that have headstones that I have collected. You know what? I don't need a second band of regen there. Okay, hang on. Before I close this off, I just gotta see. Damage, nothing else for speed. Alright. So, that gives a melee speed boost. That gives a regular speed boost. That gives a speed boost, so grab that, and that, and that, and I just to give you a look at that. Look at that. I can't use it. Wait. Oh, I also didn't have that at max speed. My mistake. This thing is insane. I'm just making myself feel bad doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna make that chlorophyte farm off camera. This has been 18-2, and I will see you guys next time.